In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create newsletter in Klaviyo using code. To begin, log into your Klaviyo account and head to the Content area in the main navigation. In Content, choose Templates. This is where Klaviyo stores reusable designs. And creating a template first is important because it lets you use the same coded newsletter layout across multiple campaigns without rebuilding it each time. Once you are on the Templates page, click Create Template, and then choose Email. This tells Klaviyo you are making an email template rather than another type of content. Next, select Import HTML. Importing HTML is the option you will use when you already have a custom-coded newsletter design and you want Klaviyo to use that exact code. Now enter a template name. Pick a clear, descriptive name that will be easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to upload more than one coded design. After that, you will choose how to bring your code into Klaviyo. Click Upload HTML file if your design is saved as a file on your computer, or select Paste Code if you have the HTML ready to copy and paste. If you are uploading, drag and drop your HTML file into the upload area. If you are pasting, paste your HTML into the code field carefully. Take your time here and make sure you are using the correct version of your newsletter code. It also helps to confirm that the HTML you are using is meant for email, since email clients can be strict and may not support every web feature. When your file is uploaded or your code is in place, click Create Template. This builds the template inside Klaviyo. Then look to the top right and click Save. Saving ensures your template is stored and ready to be used in a campaign. Next, go to Campaigns. Choose Create Campaign, then select Email. This starts a new email campaign where you can use the coded template you just created. In the content step of the campaign setup, click My Templates, and then select your coded template file from the list. Once selected, your newsletter design will load into the campaign content, so you can continue with your campaign setup as needed. That covers everything you need to know.